If you've ever felt stuck trying to mix the right shade or unsure how to combine colors without making mud, this class is for you. Whether you're just starting out or looking to deepen your understanding of color, in this class you'll get practical skills you can use in every painting. Hi, my name is Alexandrina. I'm a watercolor artist and I've put together all my knowledge about color mixing into this class to help you understand it better. Throughout our time together, you will learn everything from color theory and understanding watercolor labels to color mixing techniques and main rules of creating limited palettes. I will show you a full process of how I'm making swatch cards and why it is very helpful, share my favorite color mixes with you and explain how to choose watercolors. As a class project, we will create a color chart together. Grab your brushes, your favorite watercolors, and let's dive into the world of color mixing together. See you in the class, and remember, every artist started where you are today.